How you guys doing? It's your boy Ant. I wanted to make this video. I just got in my lady's car. I turned the heat on and I turned it off. And I heard a sound like this. So we recently took our car to get detailed. Maybe about a month ago. This is the first time I'm using the heat. Remember, summer just passed. Um, we're like on I think it's the 17th of September, 2022. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about this kind of sound when you're dealing with your heat or the air and you hear a sound, a growling or that sound is coming from the actuator that's bad. I think that when they did the detailing, since they steam cleaned the car, they took some of the grease off of the actuator that's underneath the dashboard. So it's always good to have it greased before it goes bad. Mine sounds like it's failing. It needs to be changed. No big deal. Something minor. Just wanted to inform you guys that if you get in your vehicle and you hear a sound like this when you turn the heat or the air on, remember it's coming from your actuator. God bless you guys.